I got an amazing learning from this book, The Four Agreements. This book says whenever any person gets rewarded, the person feels good. And this is not a rocket science. You and me, both of us know this thing very well. That how you feel and why it happens. The main thing is how is going to create a hell for you. How is going to create a mess for you. Suppose you are getting rewarded again and again, and after some times it becomes your need. But how? Let's take an example. Suppose you are getting a cup of tea, or suppose you are getting a cup of coffee each day at the morning. After taking the cup of tea, you feel energized, you feel energy in yourself, and now you are ready to accomplish your task. And this feeling of energy, this feeling of getting energized, after 1 month it becomes your habit. You want that coffee, a cup of coffee, again and again, at the morning especially, because of this experience of getting energized. And it has become your need now. On that day, when you will not get coffee, you will feel so angry because it has become your need. Now, you are totally controlled of this experience, because when you are not getting this experience, definitely you are feeling angry. It means that you are under control of this experience, isn't it? So same thing happens in order to whenever you get rewarded. If you are getting rewarded again and again, this experience becomes your need to get rewarded. So you try to grab other people's attention in order to get rewarded. You try to hook other people's attention so you can experience same thing like whenever you get rewarded. When you try to hook other people's attention, you do foolish thing. You try to make them happy, you try to please them, and this type of experience or this type of action you start to take. And why it is important to be aware about these actions, because these actions is going to create a problem to you, because these actions are decreasing your value. Suppose you are doing foolish thing in order to get attention. Do you feel that it is good for you? No, it is not good for you, because it is decreasing your value. If you are doing foolish thing to get attention, definitely it is going to decrease your value. Suppose you want to feel other people or the other person happy. You want to make them happy to get attention. What you do? You start to do the thing, whatever they are sharing, whatever they are saying to you, that brother, you must do this thing, you must accomplish, or you must do this task, please do it. And when you do this thing again and again, you follow their advice, means you do the task what they are saying again and again, you are doing this thing, you are decreasing your value, because people are taking you as a granted, and in this way you are decreasing your value. So I believe that you have got the point. If you are living for other people's attention, it simply means that you are creating a hell or creating a mess for you. So stop doing this thing. And with the help of this video, I wanted to share this learning with you, because this learning changed my life as well. And now before I have experienced this thing, and I don't want to let you experience what I have. So thank you for watching this video, and I believe that this video would help you to understand and would you make you aware about your own action. Be aware about your own action. So thank you for watching this video. I believe that this video is creating a value for you.